Hey, what's going on, friend? Are you looking for movies and TV shows? Or maybe you're looking for some sports and live TV on your Amazon Fire TV stick on apps you can't find in the App Store? On apps I bet you've never heard of before? Get this stuff for free. Follow along and I'll show you how. First thing we need to do, we have the little magnifying glass, our find section. If we pull down with our remote, it comes into search and click on search and it gives us a keyboard. We have one application to download and it starts with the letter D and it should come up real quick. So just type in D or maybe downloader, the whole word. Click on downloader. This is the application we need to install on our Fire Stick. So just download it, get it, install it. So here it says I already own it. Yours may say get it. So just click on it, throws it into the queue real quick and installs it onto your device. While we're waiting, please share this with a friend. I bet you, I know you know someone who would love to get these apps on their Fire Stick. And this does work with any Android device. So on streaming boxes, Android-based smartphones, tablets, you can even get them on some of your Google Chromebooks. So before we open it up, let's hit the home button on our remote. Head all the way over to the settings icon. Mine's the little race car driver there at the very bottom end. And then we can click down and here we have My Fire TV. If you have an older device, it may say My Device and it might be down in this location. So select My Fire TV. Now on this option menu, I have developer options listed. If you don't, that's okay. Highlight About. And here it has Fire TV Stick. Yours may say 4K or something light or something different. Just select it with your remote 7 to 10 times and then it says no need. Now you're a developer, or congratulations, welcome to developer options. So we can back out one, come down. We have developer options now here listed. If yours still hasn't shown up, unplug your device for about 30 seconds, plug it back in and it'll be here on your screen. So select this. Here we have ADB debugging, turn that on, and then highlight install unknown apps, select, and here it has downloader and other applications that may need this option. We can just turn a downloader on. This is what they call the jailbreak. We didn't jailbreak anything when we turned on an option, as you can tell. This allows downloader to sideload applications that you can't find like necessarily through the Amazon store. I'm going to turn this off because I'll show you the device will do it for us. So off and then hit the home button. And then we can go all the way to the 3 squares plus sign, select it. And this is our apps and games section. This is where the last app that we've downloaded puts it on to our stick. And here the very bottom is downloader. So we can select downloader and it opens it right up. Yes, allow to access photos, media, and files on our device. Say allow. Now downloader works just like a web browser. We could type in any URL. For instance, the website we're going to go to, https://ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. That's a lot of shit to write in with this keyboards. I have a short code for you and it's so much easier. So we have a little red circle here, acts as a cursor of a mouse, and we have our remote. So right, down, left, up. Center button is the select button. So we highlight up top, come over, highlight the field to enter our short code. And here it brings up a keyboard and our short code is 3701778. And we just hit next. So instead of typing in the whole URL, type in the short code and it redirects us to the Led by the Unknown's downloads page for us. Once the page is loaded, we can just make sure the page is loaded. Use the 3-line button on our remote. Now we can hit favorites. And now we can select add current page to favorites and then hit save. And now we don't even need to type in the short code. We don't need to type in the URL or the short code. We can actually seriously just hit the 3-line button, highlight favorites, and there's our shortcut. Done. But we have the page bookmarked because this is going to be your new app store, folks. Follow along and I'll show you how to get these on your device. On the page, outside of apps, there are some videos for you to watch and follow along if you have more questions. So we got a few options here for movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports. Some new apps. We can just click on the app itself, downloads it straight to the Fire Stick. Here it's going to say down on the bottom right, we didn't jailbreak our Fire Stick. See, so if we don't set that option ahead of time, the Fire Stick's going to be like, hey, yo, we need to change something. So just follow along. Hit the settings. Install unknown apps. Look for downloader and turn it on. Boom. No jailbreak. We don't jailbreak our Fire Sticks. Yes, I might have it set it in my description. That's okay. Now we back out twice and it reopens downloader and continues the installation of the file. So we'll hit install. Stages down at the bottom right, hit install. And then down at the bottom right, click done. Gives us the option to delete the installation file. So delete, yes, confirm the delete. Now, it did kick us back into the downloader's main page. That's okay. Unless you forgot what the short code was, 370178, or unless you followed along properly and you actually used your favorites. So then we hit downloads and it'll pop it right up. No redirect, no nothing, just boom. There you go. So let's go back to where our apps were. So we did TV stuff. Sports stuff. Again, downloads it right to the device. Gives us the option to push install on the bottom right. We don't have to worry about the settings of install unknown apps anymore. It's a one and done. And we highlight done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. It's back, folks. Works amazing. You click install at the bottom right. And then highlight done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now we can go back to the home screen and find these great applications. Don't forget about all the other options that you have available. So remember the 3 squares plus sign. And we can come down, move to front, move to front. Of course, downloader, move to front. These apps are now on your home screen. Movies, TV shows, sports, and live TV on your Amazon Fire TV Stick. All available on apps that you've never heard of before that you can't find in the Amazon App Store. Follow along. I'll show you how to get them on your device. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips, and tricks and how-tos.